Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the fruit basket puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Akaki Kumere from Japan. Difficulty level of the fruit basket puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame and then put them back inside the frame. At first glance it might look easy since the parts are moving easily and you can imagine that you can remove them, but once you flip the puzzle and pieces are removed, you can't remove any of them. You can try to remove one piece. As you can see, it moves up, but then you can't move it any further. You can try with other parts, but then if you try to hold this piece on top, the rest won't go down. If you flip it down, leave these two parts, then you are limited to a number of moves, and it will be quite a challenge to find how to remove all parts from the basket. But then you have to find a way how to put everything back inside. That will be another challenge, especially if you didn't pay attention how you remove the parts from the frame. This puzzle is a part of Akaki's Picnic Basket series. There are 10 puzzles here, and if you enjoyed solving at least one of those puzzles, you have to try the rest since they are all amazing, and it's nice to have all 10 puzzles from this Akaki's Picnic Basket series. If you like the fruit basket puzzle and you want to buy it or you want to try other puzzles from Akaki's Picnic Basket collection, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.